Welcome to our full guide on verifying your Facebook ads account. Discover why this process is crucial for ensuring your ads are effective and credible. Step 1 is to access your Facebook Business Manager. Log in and navigate to the Business Manager dashboard to get started. Now, head over to the account settings. You'll find this in the upper right corner of your Business Manager interface. In the account settings, look for the Business Verification option. Click on it to proceed with verification. Now it's time to gather your business documentation. Ensure you have all required documents ready to submit for verification. Don't forget about domain verification. This step is essential for establishing credibility with your ads. Once you've filled everything out, it's time to submit your verification request. Click the Submit button to send it off. After submission, understanding the verification timeline is important. It can take a few days up to several weeks, so patience is key. If you hit a roadblock, don't worry. We'll walk through some common verification issues and how to troubleshoot them. In conclusion, a verified Facebook ads account opens doors to increased trust and better ad performance. It's worth the effort.